Hello everyone, I'm Ma'am Tina Dumadag, your math teacher. For this episode, we will discuss and review all about functions. Here are the objectives. Number 1, differentiate relation and function. Number 2, illustrate functions using ordered pairs, table of values, graph, equations, and real-life situations. And last, determine whether the given relation is a function or not. As a review, answer the following questions. Number 1, it is a set of first coordinates. Is it domain, abscissa, or a range? For 5 seconds. Number 2, it is a set of second coordinates. Is it domain, abscissa, or range? 5 seconds. Number 3, determine whether the given graph is a function or not. 5 seconds. Number 4, still determine whether it is a function or not. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Determine whether it is function or not. For number 6, determine whether the given graph is a function or not. 5 seconds. Then for number 7, we're going to find the domain of the given coordinates below. Okay, for 5 seconds. For number 8, find the range of the given coordinates below. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For number 9, find the range. So, range po ang hinahanap of the given coordinates below. 5 seconds. And for the last, number 10, find the domain of the given coordinates below. Okay. So what is a relation? So a relation is a set of ordered pairs. So ibig sabihin, lahat ng coordinates na may x and y points. The domain of the relation is the set of all first coordinates, what we call the x coordinates, from the given ordered pairs. So, yung ating domain, ayun po yung ating x coordinates. The range of the relation is the set of all second coordinates, yung pangalawa. So, yun yung ating y coordinates sa ating ordered pairs. And the graph of a relation is the set of all points in the coordinate plane corresponding to the ordered pairs in the relation. So, kung i-connect na natin yung mga given ordered pairs, it will create or it will form a graph. So, here is an example of a relation. It is by mapping, no? So, yung ating domain ay 5, negative 3, and 1. So, yung ating range naman ay 6, 0, and 1. So, it is not a function. Bakit? Kasi, yung ating x ay dumoble. Okay? Which is yung negative 3. So, yan ay one-to-many correspondence. Next, another example of our relation is in a form of table, x and y. So still this is not a function. Why? Because umuulit po si 3 sa ating x or sa ating domain, no? So what is a function? A function is a special type of relation in which each element of the domain is paired with exactly one element in the range. Ibig sabihin, dapat pag nagpapares tayo ng ordered pair, dapat yung ating domain ay unique na ipapartner sa ating range. Ibig sabihin, bawal umulit yung ating domain. Pwedeng umulit si range, yung ating y, pero bawal umulit si x, or yung ating domain. Okay? So, here is an example of function by mapping. So, yung ating domain ay hindi po siya umulit, negative 3, 0, and 2. Kaya, one-to-one correspondence. Kaya, siya ay function. So, another example, ang unang given ay function kasi wala pong umulit, no, sa ating x. So, yung titingnan lang natin ay yung ating given na x. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walang umulit. Yung pangalawang example ay not a function. It is a relation. Kasi si 4, 4 ay umulit. 5, 5 umulit. So, hindi po siya function. Okay? Mapping ulit. So, isi-check lang natin yung ating x kung umulit ba siya. So, sa unang given, hindi po, kaya function. Yung pangalawang given natin, not a function. Kasi si 5, dalawang beses nakipag-pares ni 5 and 4, tsaka 5 and 7. Okay, by table naman, so ito-check lang natin yung nasa taas, yung ating domain, yung ating x. So, negative 3, 0, 3, 8, negative 10. So, walang umulit, kaya function. Sa pangalawa, as we can see, si negative 2, umulit po siya dalawang beses, kaya not function. Okay, what if naka-graph po siya, no? Naka-represent siya by using graph. So, para ma-determine na ang graph na yan is a function, we're going to use the vertical line test. So, paano ba gawin si vertical line test? So, mag-i-imagine lang po tayo or magdodraw tayo ng vertical line sa graph. Once na may at least 2 or more points na nag-intersect sa ating graph, it is not a function. No? Bawal dalawang beses o pataas. Dapat isang beses lang siya nag-intersect sa ating graph. Sa unang given natin, it is a function because no vertical line intersect a graph in more than one point. So, isang point lang po siya. Yung pangalawa naman, it is a parabola opening right side. So, ito ay relation kasi pag in-intersect or gumawa tayo ng vertical line dyan, it intersect exactly 2 points. Okay. More examples. Yung unang graph natin ay function. Kasi nga, pag gumawa tayo ng vertical line, it is exactly only 1 point. Sa pangalawa, not a function, no? Kasi dalawang beses yan magi-intersect. So, sa next, it is a function ulit. Yung pangalawang given, not a function yan, ay circle. Okay. What if in real life situation, no? We're going to identify whether the relationship that exists between each of the following pairs indicates a function or not. So, for letter A jeepney and its plate number. So, it is a function or not. Okay? So, it is a function. Bakit? A jeepney can only be assigned one plate number. So, ibig sabihin, di ba pag sasakyan, hindi pwedeng maraming plate number. So, dapat unique. Isang plate number bawat sasakyan. Kaya function po siya. Okay? Next, a student and his ID number. So, it is also a function because a student may only be issued one ID number. So, bawal magdoble ang isang estudyante ng ID number. Okay? ID number po, hindi ID. So, pag sinabing ID, pwedeng nawala yung ID na bata. Tapos, kukuha siya ulit ng ID but same ID number. Okay. Next, a teacher and his cellular phone. Or a teacher and his phone. So, it is a relation or it is not a function. Bakit? A teacher may have two or more cell phones. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng teacher ng maraming cellphone. And letter D, a pen and a color of its ink. So, it is a not function. Bakit? There are some pens na nagkakaroon po ng 2 or 3 colors, no? So, it is not a function. Okay, mathematical modeling using the function. So, what is mathematical model? It is a function that represents relationships between two or more different quantities. And what is a piecewise function? So, it is defined by different equations or formulas where each equation is applied to a certain interval over a specified domain. So, ibig sabihin ng piecewise, ito pa isang function na more than two or more than maraming function. So, ibig sabihin hindi lang isang equation or isang formula. No? So, 2 o higit pa. So, ito po yung sample na ating piecewise. Pag may nakita po kayong ganyan na parang putol-putol, yan po ay interval na putol-putol na graph, yan ay piecewise function. So, makikita natin sa equation niya, hindi lang po isang equation, kundi 2 or 3 or 4. Depende sa given. Okay, how to use piecewise function? Okay, for example, Maria rides a jeepney to go to the market, which is 14 kilometers away from her house. The fare rate for the jeepney ride is 8 pesos for the first 4 kilometer and additional 1.40 pesos for every kilometer or a fraction in it. What a mathematical model can be drawn out from the given situation. So, let x, so gagamit tayong variable na x, yung number of kilometers. So, yung ating f of x, yung fare, yung ating function, which is yung bayad or yung fare. Okay. Remember, no, na may additional 1.40 pesos bawat kilometers, no, additional. And yung first 4 kilometers ay 8 pesos. Okay? So here our model by table. So yung first column, the number of kilometers by x. Yung fare, yung magiging bayad. Relationship, yung ating solution. Okay, for the first 4 kilometers, ang babayaran natin ay 8. Okay? Pag 5 kilometers na po siya, so mag-a-add lang po tayo ng plus 1 bawat kilometers. Kaya magiging equation natin ay 1 plus 4. Okay? So, yung ating 8 pesos na constant bawat 4 kilometers plus yung ating idadagdag na bawat kilometers which is 1.40 open parenthesis 5. Bakit 5? Okay, kasi nagdagdag na po tayo ng 1 kilometer. Okay, yung 4 na kilometers plus isa pang kilometer which is the 5 kilometers, no? Yung ating given 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So, mangyari yung 8 pesos plus 1.4 times yung 1. So, 1.4 times 1 is equal to 1.4. So, 8 plus 1.4 is equal to 9.40. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung 5 kilometers, yung babayaran natin ay 9.40 pesos. 6 kilometers. So, yung 2 kilometers na dagdag plus 4 na kilometers na constant. So, 6 na kilometers na lahat. So, 8 pesos plus yung dagdag bawat kilometers na 1.4 times times natin sa 6 minus 4. Ba't nag-minus tayo? Kasi nga may 8 na, no? Kasi yung 4 kilometers ay yung 8 pesos. So, yung matitira dyan ay yung times natin sa additional na 1.40. So, 6 minus 4 is 2 times 1.40. So, just use your calculator para mas mabilis. 8 plus 1.40 times 2 is equal to 10.80. Okay? Para makita natin yung equation kung paano sinolve, so nasa baba, yung ating x, yung number of kilometers, kung ano yung given, papalitan lang natin ng yung x, and i-add natin sa 4. Then, para sa fare, constant si 8 plus pati si 1.4. So, ay papalit lang natin dyan yung x. Okay? Yung number na kilometers isa-subtract sa 4 kilometers. And ita-times sa 1.4 and i-add yung product sa 8. Yun yung magiging sagot. Okay. Another mathematical model. Number 1. Twice a number. So, gagawin natin siyang algebra, function model. So, f of x, which is yung function natin, is equal to 2x. Bakit 2x? Twice a number. So, twice a number, it is 2x. Number 2, a number minus a square of the number. So, para lang tayong nag-translate mathematical word or English word into algebraic expression. No? So, a number minus a square of the number. So, function is equal to x minus x squared. Thrice the square of the number. So, function is equal to 3 kasi thrice the square of a number is x squared. Okay. 9 gives 25. So, how to model this given? So, we're going to copy 9. Tapos, mag-iisip tayo ng kung ano yung gagamitin nating pang-multiply at pang-add para makapag-create tayo or makapag-result tayo ng 25. Okay? Okay. For example, 9 gives 25. So, 9, dapat magiging 25 yung sagutan. 9 times 2 is 18. So, kulang pa para maging 25. So, mag-a-add tayo ng 7. 18 plus 7 is 25. Okay? So, paano gawin yung model? Yung 2 na naisip natin, na pang-multiply sa given natin na 9, which is gagawin nating x, plus, since kulang pa siya, hindi sakto, nag-add tayo ng 7. Okay? 2x plus 7. Okay? Yung 2 times 9 plus 7 is equals to 25. Yung naka-shade dyan, naka-highlight na green, ayan po ay solution. Yung naman naka-highlight na dilaw, ayan po yung magiging sagot natin, which is yung model. Okay? For number 5, 8 gives 21. Para maging 21 yung sagot, mag-iisip tayo ng number na imumultiply natin sa 8. Okay? Para maging 21, pwedeng kumulang, pwedeng sumobra. Kasi pwede tayong mag-add, pwede tayong magbawas. 8 times 3, okay, is 24. Sobra po, 21 lang yung kailangan natin. So, magbabawas tayo ng negative 3 or magbabawas tayo ng 3. 24 minus 3 is 21. Ma'am, pwede bang hindi gamitin yung 3? Gagamit po ako ng 2. Yes, pwede. So, 2 times 8 is 16. And mag-iisip ka ng number na pang-add para maging 21. So, we're going to add 5. 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. So, yung magiging sagot natin ay 2x plus 5. Okay? Number 6, 5 gives 13. So, ang ginamit ko ay 3. 3 times 5 ay 15. So, sobra siya sa 13. Kaya, binawasan natin ng 2. 15 minus 2 is 13. Pwede naman gumamit ng 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Para maging 13, add 3. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Okay? So, yung magiging model natin, 2x plus 3.